Hey guys, today we got a Leer 122 series. Fits the 07 to 13 Chevy truck with a 6.5 foot bed. It's like sterling blue in color. It's in decent shape, doesn't have a whole lot of issues. Some minor ones. Paint looks good through here. Let's have the roof racks on the top. Has a small scratch right there. Couple nicks right there. Small nick right there. Roof racks on the top, so you can put kayak racks or what have you on there. It has a scratch here. Pretty common on these high rises. People forget how tall they are and they hit things. Front edge looks pretty good. There's a little bit of a wear mark on the bottom corner. It looks like it's probably taken off the truck and set down someplace, but bottom edge is pretty nice over here. Oops. All the way through there. Pretty decent shape on the bottom edge. Does have the bay window. Around the paint looks good all the way around here. Also has the cargo doors on the side. So it has the bay window with the double T-handle cargo door that opens up so that you can access the inside of the bed, put some camping gear or what have you inside the bed there, and then you can secure it back up, latch it down and secure it up. Front side, so there's a couple little small nicks right there, a couple nicks on the front edge here. A few more on that edge. You can see right there you got that same scratch we talked about. It's a kind of a bigger scratch. I don't know, maybe they hit the garage door or something, kind of has slid up through there. It's not horribly bad, but it's there. A couple scratches there on the top. It's all on this front edge. Like I said, we'll forget how tall they are and drive places they shouldn't go. A couple chips there again. Right there. Other than that, the paint looks really good. Down through here, all the way down through here. It does have a sliding window in the front, so slide windows open so that you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Close that up. This side has a scratched area right there. A couple small scratched areas up here by the roof rack on this side. Pretty decent area right in here, all the way through there. This side, go down through here, looks pretty good. Small scuff right there. Bottom edge on this side does have a little bit more damage on it. It has some chips all the way through there. Couple chips right there and a paint chip. Oops, another small chip on the edge. Mostly right through there. Everything else down through here. Up until you get to the front here. You get a couple there at the very front. Right there, and then right there. You've got some, and then that's really about it on this side here. The paint looks pretty decent through the center here. A little bit of a scratch right there. It's not really bad, but it's there. Does have the bay window on this side too, single bay, and the window on this side as well. This window has been replaced with plexiglass, but it's pretty solid, and they've painted it black so you can't see through it. So it works like it's supposed to. Same thing, you can access the inside from put your tools in there, camping gear, what have you. Close that back up. Double T-handle locking rear door. Back side. Looks pretty good. Not really seeing much damage on the back end here. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Looks pretty clean. So it doesn't look like it leaks anywhere. Front sliding window is a tilt-in window, so or removable, flips down like so. That allows this window to tilt in. like this, so that you can clean the, ouch, hit my head, clean the front of the glass here and the back of the cab window there. And then you can flip that back up like so, latch that down. Like I said, it looks pretty clean in here. Serial numbers right there. But, there it is, the Leer 122 series. It's the 2007 to 2013 Chevy trucks with the 6.5 foot bed. It's sterling blue, or I forget, a stealth gray. I think it's stealth gray actually is what they call it. It's a blue gray color. Below is a link to this unit on our website. You can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, make arrangements to pick it up online, purchase it online. That can all be done through that link there below. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cat repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. If you're looking for something specific, you want to keep up to date on our videos, because we upload videos as soon as we get inventory in. So you can keep up to date on that by clicking the subscribe button. And as with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.